Assalamualaikum little friends. Welcome to our channel Dreams and Roses. Many mama study gonna read it. Mama, can you read me a story?
Yes, Shanawaz. Assalamo Alaikum warahmatullahi little friends. Today we will read a story about a
Camel.
sad camel who was very sad.
What did he do?
And he was very upset. The story is that one day Prophet Muhammad PBUH entered in a garden, and that garden belonged to a man. There he saw a camel. When he went nearby camel, he saw that he is very sad and he is crying.
Why?
And he's weeping. He wept tenderly, producing yearning sound, and its eyes flowed. The Prophet Muhammad came to it and wiped the temple of his head. He wiped the temple of his head, and he did this.
Why?
To the camel because he was crying. He was very sad.
Why was he crying?
And then he became silent and he felt better. And then, you know why he was crying?
Yeah.
We will know that. The Prophet Muhammad asked that, whose camel is this? Who is the master of this camel? Somebody told that this is my camel, Prophet of Allah. And then Prophet of Allah, Hazrat Muhammad said, don't you fear Allah about this animal which Allah Mia has given you? He has complained to me that you keep him hungry and you overload him, and you load him heavily, which fatigues him. And then the man felt so embarrassed and ashamed on what he did to the camel. He said sorry, and after that he always looked after the camel, and the camel became
happy.
Yes.
And exciting.
Yes.
Is this story
and
finished?
What he said to Prophet of Allah?
Thank you.
Yes.
Is the story finished?
Yes. Now we need to say Allah
Can I
Hafiz
see?
Now we need to say Allah Hafiz to our little friends. Say Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz, little friends. We hope that you liked this story. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.